Presenting top 5 video editing software for beginners in 2021. At number 1. Pinnacle Studio. Platform, Windows. Key features: multi-camera capture and editing, color controls, stop-motion animation. It's best for beginners. Very easy to use with various features and at affordable price, but may be basic for some pro users. More than 1,500 effects, titles, and templates, 6-track HD video editing, color correction tools, a dedicated stop-motion feature, time remapping and more for a quite reasonable price. It's very easy to use. At number 2. Corel Video Studio Ultimate. Platform, Windows. Key features: real-time effects, color correction. It is easy to use for beginners at a reasonable price, but may be too basic for professionals. If you're a beginner who wants to get started with video editing software, check out Corel Video Studio Ultimate 2020. This relatively inexpensive video editing software has a very clear visual interface that makes it easy to get started. It includes motion tracking, 4K support, 360 degrees VR video support, a music library, multicam support, 3D text editing, and thousands of effects. At number 3. Adobe Premiere Elements. Platform, Windows and Mac. Key features: video stabilization, face detection, automatic motion tracking. Best for video editing beginners and enthusiasts. It's simple and very easy to use with lots of great features, but maybe less powerful in comparison with other tools. Great tool for amateurs who want to edit some videos for fun or your first YouTube channel. Adobe's Adobe Premiere Elements is the video editing software for you. It's packed with many high-end features such as face detection, audio effects and bundled soundtracks, including transitions, chroma keying and opacity, and so on. There are a lot of cool additions in the latest 2021 release, including automatic backup of your catalog, AI editing tools, and the updated music scores and sound effects. This tool is not part of the Creative Cloud and is available for a one-off fee. At number 4. Cyberlink PowerDirector 365. Platform, Windows. Key features: multicam editing, 360-degree video, motion tracking. Best for professional filmmakers. It is a powerful tool and loaded with cool features. It is inexpensive. Maybe a bit complicated for beginners. Cyberlink PowerDirector 365 is a consumer-level video editing software. It delivers professional and high-quality features at an affordable price. With 100-track timeline, you'll be able to produce the highest quality videos with stabilization and video correction tools, professional effects, multicam editing, motion tracking, and surprisingly easy trimming. There's 360-degree video editing as well. Then there's slideshows, screen recording, DVD menus, object design tools, and more. It comes with plenty of video tutorials to help to get you started. At number 5. Filmora. This is my favorite tool. Platform, Windows and Mac. Key features: 4K support, built-in effects and titles. Best for enthusiasts. It is extremely easy to use and at an affordable price. Maybe too basic for professionals. Wondershare's Filmora is a solid video editing tool for enthusiasts and for a surprisingly low price. There are tons of handy built-in titles, effects and filters designed for YouTubers and like, as well as a library of royalty-free sound effects and music. You can also record your own media directly within the tool. The free version includes all the same features and tools as the paid tool, but all your videos will have a brand watermark on them. If you want them gone, you can choose between paying for an annual plan and taking out a lifetime plan for a one-off fee. Alternatively, there's an unlimited plan, which includes unlimited downloads from a stock library and new effects each month. And that's it for now. Please check the description of the video for more info and decide which software suits you best. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and bell for future videos. Thanks for watching.